Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with maybe opening your contact list, because in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of how to block a number. So as I said, let's start with your contacts. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So let's tap on block. And for some reason I cannot do that, but no worries, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to block the number. Your device will show you a specific icon which will show you that the number has been blocked. You will be also able to unblock it the same way. Right here you will have the option unblock numbers, and this is how it works in this section, let's say. And now let me show you the second way through the settings. So here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers. They should be in this general section. And now let's tap on add a number. And as you can see here, we've got this section, this bar where we can enter the number manually and tap on block. It will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will not receive calls or messages from this specific number. Here you can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher at the top, and you can turn it off just by tapping on it again, of course. And if you want to, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.